Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exciting find that's perfect for your little ones, the mommore Toddler backpack. This charming backpack, designed specifically for boys aged 2 to 4 years old, has been making waves as one of the best backpacks for toddlers. So, if you're looking for something fun, functional, and safe, stay tuned as we explore what makes this backpack a must-have for your toddler. First off, let's take a look at this adorable dinosaur design. The 3D cartoon style is not only visually appealing but also captures the imagination of young children. With vibrant colors and fun details, it's sure to be a hit with your little explorer. Measuring at 8.6 inches in length, 3.9 inches in width, and 11 inches in height, this backpack is perfectly sized for toddlers. It features a spacious main compartment, ideal for storing toys, snacks, and even a change of clothes for those little adventures. However, keep in mind that it won't fit a standard folder or A4 book, making it best suited for smaller items. Comfort is key when it comes to backpacks for toddlers. This one comes equipped with adjustable padded shoulder straps, ensuring a snug fit for kids of different sizes. The addition of an inside name tag is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to keep track of belongings, especially in busy environments like daycare or preschool. Now, let's talk about safety. The mommore Toddler backpack includes a detachable leash and a chest buckle. This feature is particularly useful in crowded places, providing parents with extra peace of mind while allowing kids the freedom to explore. Constructed from durable neoprene material, this backpack is lightweight and water-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or even a trip to the amusement park. The smooth zipper adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing toddlers to access their belongings easily. So, if you're on the hunt for a cute and practical backpack that your toddler will love, the mommore Toddler backpack could be the perfect choice. With its fun design, comfortable fit, and thoughtful safety features, it stands out as one of the best options for little ones aged 2 to 4. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews. And remember, a good backpack can make all the difference in your child's adventures. Until next time, happy shopping!